वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे starting from the previous class, move on to the next class, and we have to we have to write a program to print program to print C++ program to print 1 to n. Okay, 1 to n you want to print, and you have to write that by using the while loop you able to write, and also from the for loop the same output will be same. I will tell you both case, so please watch this video, and before going in deep, please subscribe my channel. Then let's get started. Hash include iostream dot h int main, then our int 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to n you have to print, so you need two variable. First is I and second is n. You can imagine any a b c a b x y n, and you have to here initialize this one value, I is equal to 1. Okay, then you need second number from where to where you want to print. Okay, initially you take value 1 and you have to print up to n, so cout enter value of n up to which value you want to print. Okay, so C in and you take value n. Okay, you got both two value, then come into your loop while I is less than equal to n. Your loop is true only for this condition. Okay, when I is less or equal to n, then only this loop working, otherwise program terminates. Condition is false, then cout I to print I in the new line. Okay, then I is equal to I plus 1, and then close this, and then after the main return 0. Clear? Let's see. If you enter here the value of n is, here you enter here suppose 5, initial value of I is equal to 1, initial value we initialize this 1 less than equal to 5, then it go into this loop and see out what loop said, print the value of I, that is 1. Then here I is equal to I plus 1, I value is 1, then after this it become 2, then it go into back to this loop, 2 less than equal to 5, this is true, then print the value of 2I, then increment this value 3, it again go to this loop, then 3 less than equal to 5, then this loop is true, then print this value 3, then this increment this value, then again go into this 4 less than equal to 5, print this value, then again increment 5 less than equal to 5, not less than but equal to is there na, then you have to print 5, Then after this, increment this value, it becomes 6, and when this 6 go into this loop, 6 is less than equal to 5. This is wrong, then our program is terminated successfully and we got 1 to 5. Okay, if you give here hundred thousands, then you got according in the loop running till this condition is true. Okay, and if you want to write this by the for loop, it is easy, but we are dealing in while loop, so that's why I am not going into brief, but simple, only giving example. By the for loop you can write for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus. Okay, then see out, you have to print the value of I in the new line and then return 0 and the main is closed. Okay, clear? So if you want to print from 10 to 1 in reverse order, 10 to 1, then what changes you have to make here? In the loop you only have to initialize the value of I, int I, and I is equal to 10, then making a while loop, while I is greater than equal to 10, I is greater than equal to 1. Okay, 10 is our I value, but you have to print up to 1, so I must be greater than equal to 1. Okay, not less than 1. This condition is true, and then you have to take cout. You have to print the value of I one by one in the next line, and in this case you make a increment, in this you make here decrement. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Let me explain. So this is our program, turn 0. When I is equal to 10 greater than equal to 1, this is true statement, then it go into this. Then what is the value of I value is 10. Okay, then I, here is I value 10, then it decremented to 9, then it again go into this loop, then 9 is greater than equal to 1, then it come into this loop and then print the value of this is 9, and after this decremented, it again go into this, 8 is greater than equal to 1, then print the value of this, and then decremented, 7 is 7, then again go into this loop, then again check 8 is greater than equal to 1, then print the value of 7, then again decremented, then again go loop, again print, again decremented, again go loop, 5, then repeat 4, 3, 2, 1, at 1, this condition is true. If decrement is 0 na, this condition become false. 0 is not greater than equal to 1, this condition is false, so our program terminates successfully. Okay, this is all of you will try to print 2 to 20, write the logic and you will be able to get output. So that's all for while loop. Please subscribe my channel if you got the concept. Thank you.